Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change alternator on Infiniti G35 easy method. Remove the negative battery cable, lift the car safely on jack stands, and disconnect the wiring harness and belt before removing the alternator. Work patiently, label connectors, and support the alternator when unbolting. Follow torque specs on reinstallation, reconnect battery last, and test charging at idle. I'll keep tips simple and friendly so you feel confident. Start with safety and clear space so you can work without rush. Use jack stands and wheel chocks, then gather sockets, a serpentine tool, and a torque wrench. Verify the replacement alternator matches the Infiniti G35 and label all connectors before disassembly. Take photos of belt routing and connector locations to avoid confusion. Keep rags and a drain pan ready for small spills and clean parts before reinstalling. Quick recommendation: if this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your garage while you work, filling the space with clear sound and hands-free timers. I find it handy for podcasts and phone calls while wrenching. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Loosen the belt tensioner, remove the serpentine belt, and note its routing for reinstallation. Disconnect the negative battery cable and unplug alternator wiring before removing mounting bolts. Support the alternator as you unbolt it, then swap any brackets or shields to the new unit. Install the new alternator, torque bolts to spec, reconnect connectors, reinstall the belt, lower the vehicle, and reconnect the battery to verify proper charging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.